Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO and founder of a boutique e-learning agency called CourseCREEK. CourseCREEK is approximately $1 million company with about 20 contractors that are specialists in instructional design and LMS support and implementation. We are really good at two things. One, delivering instructional design and LMS support and implementation for our EdTech partners. And for the EdTech partners, we are also, I'm going to show you something if I can get that, there it is. We're also very good at closing deals. So we're unique in that we don't only provide delivery services, but we also can get in front of your potential clients and close deals. Now these are absolute accurate numbers here. Every lead that we have received from our EdTech partners over the last 5 years, we have converted to a sell, to a win. That means not only for us, who would provide the delivery services, but also for you, who wants to sell subscriptions and licenses. So any lead, all leads, doesn't matter how qualified they are, 36% closure rate. Now, of those leads that were qualified, meaning they had a budget, they were high intent, they were wanting to purchase within 4 weeks, we closed 83% of the deals. So if you're an EdTech company that would be interested in having a reliable partner, delivery partner, as a value add service to fill in the gaps for your clients, namely instructional design, LMS implementation support, and we also do marketing. And you find it interesting that we can also get on Zoom calls with your clients and close deals at a 36 to 83% guaranteed closure rate, I'd like to talk to you because we'd like to partner with you. Thank you.